Welcome to Mr. Belle Kitchen. Today, first of all, I'd like to thank all my subscribers, all my viewer watchers, and if you haven't subscribed, wondering how to subscribe, should I subscribe? Yes, you should. Mr. Belle has some good videos out there cooking in the Power Exhale, and that's all you have to do. Ding! Hit that bell and you are subscribed to Mr. Belle Kitchen. Last week I had a video on how to get a grill plate. I've been getting a lot of comments and everything. People been asking me different questions. Where can you get one at? They've been getting in touch with Power Exhale and they haven't been getting no word back. So as you know in the video, I went to Amazon and I looked on and I found this grill plate. So today I'll be using this grill plate to see what kind of grill we can get on the chicken or whatever we're gonna be grilling on it. See if it leave the marks on it and everything, what you're looking for, the marks. As you see, this tray have the design on it and everything. So I'll be using this tray today and I'll be grilling some chicken breast. And today I'll be using just a little spray on this grill, little olive oil spray. I'll be using a little olive oil on the chicken, just rubbing it on. And a teaspoon of salt, teaspoon of black pepper, and a teaspoon of seasoning salt. Not black pepper, but Montreal Seasoning. It's the same thing, and I'll just be using them little 4 ingredients today just to test it out in the Power Exhale. First of all, what I'm going to be doing, I'm just going to stick the little notches on this right here, so to stay in the Power Exhale. Just like this, the tray is nice and clean and it's easy. You're gonna have 4 of them and you just put them on just like this and just snap them on. Just like that, it's just that easy. Just snap them on and just slide them, just like that. Slide it, I have all 4 on right now, as you see. So what I'm gonna do, my tray is already clean, this is clean. What I'm gonna do, I'm just gonna set it right in here like this and just push it down a little. As you see, I have a nice little rum, so this right here, the grease, whatever you grilling, can just drip down in. So what I'm gonna do, I'm just gonna spray this tray a little, right quick. I'm gonna just spray it with a little of this olive oil, so it won't stick. Just like that. And spray it like that. What I'm gonna do, I'm gonna cut this Power Exhale on. I'm gonna turn it to grill. Put it on grill right here. And I'm gonna press. I'm gonna set the temperature for like 375. It's on 375. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna set the minutes for, I'm gonna set it for 12. I'm gonna go with 12 minutes to start it with and grill this, because you know it don't take that long to grill chicken. Let's try 12 minutes, just like that. And I'm gonna press start, and it's gonna preheat. When it say add food, then I'll add the food. In the meantime, I'm gonna dry this chicken off and everything and get it ready. Okay, so what I'm gonna do, you know I like to put all my ingredients and mix it up together. So I'm just gonna put everything in a bowl and move some of this out the way. And I'm just gonna stir this up all together so it can come out nice and good. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna stir this up with my finger. Just like that, get everything stirred up nice and good. Just like that. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna set this to the side. And right now, what I'm gonna do, I'm just gonna work on this chicken breast right here. I'm gonna just spread this little oil on it and everything, make sure everything come out nice and good. Just put it all over it, just like that, so the seasoning won't fly off it. Just like that. Get them nice and good. Just like that. And I have a video on grilled chicken already, but since we brought a new plate, we're gonna try this new grilled plate together. That's the reason. Some of you probably looked at it. But this one right here is just to see how the grill plate works. Is it good? Is it gonna be good? Is it gonna be to our satisfaction? And like that. So what I'm gonna do, so what I'm gonna do now, I'm just put a little season on it, just like this, and get it nice, good, and ready. Just like that. Put it on there, put some over here, like that. Nice and good. Just like that. Like that. What I'm gonna do is flip it over, get the other side. Like that. Just put a little on. As you see, it say add food to it and everything. It's beeping. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna raise it up. And I'm just gonna lay it in. I'm gonna start laying it in just like this. As you see, it's not going the way I want it. So I'm gonna put another piece on the other side. Right here. And right here. And right here. And so what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna pull this part up like that and push it down like that. And put the cover down. I have about 3 minutes left, so what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna flip it over and see what it looked like on the other side. I'm just gonna flip it just like that and let it get the other side. I might have to add some more minutes to it and everything, but this is the idea how it's gonna be cooking on the grill right here, like this. And I'm gonna put the top back down. Okay, so it didn't cook all the way, so what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna add some minutes to it. Remember, you can always add minutes to it, but you can't take it away. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna put it back on grill. Back on grill. The temperature gonna be 375. 375, and I'm gonna just add 20 minutes because I have a little more to do. Add 20 minutes, and I'm gonna leave it in while it's preheating because it's already hot. So I'm gonna press start, and I'm gonna leave it in while it's warming because it's in already. And as you know, I reset it, add more minutes to it, so I left it in while it was preheating. So now we're gonna look at it like this. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna flip it over like that and let it get the other side. As you see, it's coming out pretty nice and everything. And I'm gonna just put this top back down and let this finish cooking. Okay, we're gonna take it, lift the top up and look at it and everything. These little ones is coming out good and everything. So I'm just gonna flip that one more time and everything. And I'm gonna just do a switch. Put this big one there because it's pretty healthy. And put the top on for a few more minutes. I'm finna take this out now. This is done. It's, like I said, these are little, but they're done. And I'm gonna put my other batch in there. These are done. I'm gonna take it out. And I'm gonna let it cool off for a minute. Okay, this is your grilled chicken on the new grill plate that we got. You can get a size 7. I got a size 7, size 6 will be fine. I think I'm gonna get a size 6 too, so I have both sides, 7 and 6, but this is the grilled chicken on the new grill plate. Thank you for watching, and that's Cooking with the Bells. We did it again. Leave a comment in the box. If you haven't subscribed, you've been wondering how to subscribe, that's all you have to do. ding, and you are subscribed to Mr. Belle Kitchen. Thank you for watching.